Hi, Jeffrey Langlois, Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. I am making, I kind of go through phases where I just eat a lot of one thing for a long time and then I move on to something else. Lately, my favorite is curried vegetables. I make a big vegetable stew pot. In the past, I would do that like Hippocrates, high potassium broth with onions, carrots, celery, and parsley, and then whatever other vegetables you want to throw in. This is a curry one. I found this awesome curry powder at Penzi Spices. I have used organic curries before, which I probably prefer to use organic since I use organic carrots, organic celery, organic onions, but I don't know. I think somebody gave me this or something, or I got it for Christmas from my son. Anyway, this is delicious. We're going to be making a curry vegetable soup, really yummy, really good for digestion. That heat helps to warm the digestive tract. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, ghee. That's some good organic ghee here. The reason we use ghee or coconut oil, it's very heat stable. Holds up well to heat, doesn't create toxins. So ghee, lard, those are your best fats for heating. Coconut oil. All right, Instapot is off and getting nice and hot. Gonna melt the butter, ghee in there. Get that started. Got my wooden spatula. I've pre-chopped my vegetables. This is a big bowl of carrots, celery, and onions. And it's always best to get those turn my alert, sweat those vegetables. So good 5 minutes of sauteing till they begin to release their flavors, and you can smell them. So carrots, celery, onion is what I like. Some people might use red peppers or green peppers, so we do see a lot of allergies and reactions in the computer with peppers. Probably peppers and probably the number one thing we see that come up on the most people. Okay, so yeah, I just used a whole thing of celery here, about this size celery, organic celery, Trader Joe's, and then I like their multicolored carrots, but sometimes I just get the orange carrots. We're going to be putting cauliflower in, so I have organic cauliflower, at least a half a head. I have more in the refrigerator. The beauty of cauliflower is it's very neutral. It absorbs whatever flavors you cook it with. So that's going to really help to absorb that nice curry powder. I'm going to put in some garlic. I've minced some garlic here. I also like this too, minced garlic. This is nice, convenient. It's already minced, so I didn't have much left. So I had some garlic in the refrigerator. I'll use that. But first I want to let this go for a good 5 minutes. So I'll be back with you when this is done, and we'll pick it up from here. All right, these are starting to soften up real nicely. I'm going to dump in what's left in this garlic here. This minced garlic. I'll throw that in there. And then I also kind of crushed my own garlic. I'm going to add that in there. Let that just sweat out for a minute. Let the garlic release its flavors. It's getting nice and soft in there. The vegetables nice and softening up. Ooh. Okay. And then I also chopped up some cabbage. I'm going to throw that in there. Not going to sweat that. Some cabbage in there. And then our cauliflower. Nice big chunks of cauliflower. I should probably chop it up a little smaller, but I'm all about time and convenience and quick and nutritious. So, got a lot of cauliflower. There we go. So you get the garlic, the cauliflower, the cabbage, the carrots, the onions, the celery, and the garlic. Then I get some bone broth. I like to have like real thick gelatiny bone broth, but right now I have this kind of watered down stuff here. I had made this soup a few days ago. You put about a cup or so of broth in there. So what's going to happen actually, these vegetables are going to steam. So first I'm doing the Instapot in the saute mode. So we're in the saute mode here in the Instapot. And we're going to hit cancel on the saute. And the beauty is this cooks really in only, well, steam time is 3 minutes. Of course, it's going to take a little while to get it up to a boil. So it's about, maybe about half of this. This is 16 ounces, so about a cup of fluid. And then the magic starts with the curry powder. So I cut that open. And I don't measure. That's the beauty of cooking versus baking. But I do like a lot of curry powder, and this is really good. So I put probably a good 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry powder. And then I also like something called garam masala. It's another Indian. So realize in Indian cooking, these are used to warm the digestive tract. The reason they eat hot food there in a lot of countries is you want to get blood flow to the gut to help you absorb minerals. What do we all need? Minerals. So we're going to do that with hot, spicy foods that nourish and strengthen the digestive tract instead of putting cold food down there. This is a fire in here. It's 98 degrees. You want to keep it warm. Put cold food in there, you actually put the fire out and inhibit digestion. So that's the idea behind the spices and the curries and things like that. So I have the broth in there. I'm just going to mix in the curry. I'm going to add the garam. And then I'm going to just seal it up and put it on 3 minutes of cooking time on pressure cook 3 minutes. So maybe take 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes to get up to its steam point, and then it's just going to steam for 3 minutes, and then you can either do a quick release or you can let it come down on its own. So that is it. We'll wait till it's done. All right, here we go. Instapot finished. Steam, just let it go. I let it go naturally, but you can do the release. And there we go. We have, so it was just really 1 cup of broth is now got this incredible beef, make a lot of beef, but vegetable, curried vegetable, cauliflower. So lots of potassium in here, mountains, just too high to count, but no, a lot of potassium plus all that good curry spice to warm up the digestive tract, enhance digestion, kill parasites, kill bacteria, just keep a strong, healthy gut. So there you have it. Looks like I put in maybe a little too much broth. Boy, I'll tell you, when those vegetables cook down, they sure release a lot of water. But there you go. That's my curry vegetable. I will have that to be able to eat for a couple days now. That will be my dinner tonight. I like to eat my protein in the morning and go light at night with some veggies. Okay, your health is your wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.